Angle, I am Muskan Mathur. Let's have a look onto the top headlines. 108 mutant virus of corona were found in sewage. A lot of evidence has come out the fore of coronavirus. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath met PM Modi, Amit Shah and JP Nadda today in Delhi. Protest in front of petrol pumps held today against the ever-increasing petrol and diesel price in the country. Gold and silver price rose in the domestic market today, central mandatorizing hallmarking of gold jewelry. 108 coronavirus mutants were found in sewage. So far, a lot of evidence have come into the knowledge of coronavirus reaching the sewer with the waste in the country and abroad. Evidence of this have been found in Hyderabad, Mumbai's Dharavi and recently in Lucknow. But how many forms of virus are there in the sewer? It was studied for the first time in the country, the results of which are astonishing. Scientists have found 108 mutations of the virus in the sewer drain in Pune, Maharashtra. So far, so many mutations have been found and identified in the country even on the basis of genome sequencing. Whereas when 6 different samples were examined in the National Chemical Laboratory of CSIR Pune, 20 mutations were found in some and up to 35 mutations in some. During the study, scientists have also found Delta and Alpha variants in the sewer. At the same time, different variants found in South Africa, Brazil and America have also been found here. With the advice of the Sangh, Arvind and Jitin can become the ministers. The stick of discipline of the Bharatiya Janata Party's mother organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh was once again heavy and party's central leadership gave its opinion to the BJP leadership after 3 days of brainstorming in Delhi regarding Uttar Pradesh. Giving information about the detailed discussion held by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath with Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda on Thursday, sources said that with the blessings of Sangh, Yogi Adityanath will remain the Chief Minister and soon the expansion and reshuffle of the state cabinet will take place. Former IAS Arvind Kumar Sharma and newly inducted former Union Minister Jitin Prasad in BJP can be made minister, but none of them will become Deputy Chief Minister. Congress leader came onto the streets in protest against the rising price of petrol and diesel. Congressmen are protesting in front of petrol pumps today in protest against the over-increasing petrol and diesel price in the country. In Rajasthan too, all Congress leaders and workers demonstrated for this. At the same time, a strategy have already been prepared under the leadership of State President Govind Singh Dodasra. Regarding the protest, demonstrations were held simultaneously in all districts of state from 10 am to 12 noon. All the big leaders of Congress were protested in all 250 wards of Jaipur regarding the rising price of petrol and diesel. CM Yogi Adityanath was present in New Delhi, met Prime Minister. UP CM Yogi Adityanath reached the Prime Minister's residence at around 11 am on Friday, where he had a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The meeting between the two leaders lasted for about 1.5 hours in the afternoon. He came out of Prime Minister's residence at 12:15 pm. UP CM Yogi Adityanath tweeted after meeting PM Modi. Yogi wrote that today I had the privilege of receiving courtesy visit and guidance from respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in New Delhi. Heartfelt thanks to the respected Prime Minister for giving him time and kind guidance to meet his busy schedule. After the meeting with PM, Yogi Adityanath also met BJP President JP Nadda. Priyanka Gandhi is trying to persuade Pilot will soon come to the Delhi. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan Sachin Pilot intensified political activities in the state by holding a meeting with the MLAs of his faction on Thursday. This is because in the past, senior Congress leader Jitin Prasad joined the BJP. After that, speculation intensified that Sachin Pilot may also say goodbye to the Congress. However, no statement have been issued by Sachin Pilot and his supporter. It is being told that former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot is angry about the report of the Conciliation Committee. The Congress High Command has tried to persuade Sachin Pilot. In this episode, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi called and talked to him late on Thursday night. Apart from this, many senior Congress leaders were also trying to persuade him. BJP's big comeback on Kejriwal's statement. Today, Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has attacked the Delhi government fiercely regarding the Kejriwal's government ambitious scheme from door-to-door ration. Ravi Shankar Prasad has said in the press conference that Arvind Kejriwal is talking about food in every household where he could not deliver oxygen, he could not deliver medicine from Mohalla clinics. Every household food is not also joke. The Delhi government is under the control of mafia ration. The government of India gives wheat at rupees 2 per kg, rice at rupees 3 per kg across the country. Under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana like last year, this time also free ration is being given to the poor till November. Referring to the centre's One Nation One Ration scheme, the Union Minister attacked the Delhi government. He said One Nation, One Ration card is very important scheme launched by the Government of India. Sachin Pilot pays heartfelt tribute to father's death anniversary. Today is the death anniversary of late Rajesh Pilot. Sachin Pilot went to Dausa and planted saplings paying tribute to his father. On this note, Pilot did not make any political talk of any kind. Pilot said that with full readiness and dedication, my reversed late father of the services for the country. Rajesh Pilot determination and association with Workland is the inspirational or for all. On the other hand, all Congress leaders including Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Twitter today remembered Rajesh Pilot on his death anniversary. Former Chief Minister Veerbhadra admitted in IGMC again. Former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh admitted in IGMC has been found to be corona positive. IGMC College Principal Dr. Rajneesh Pathania has confirmed this. It is being told that he can now be shifted to the makeshift ward to the hospital. However, doctors are still consulting about this. Let us inform that even earlier after getting corona infected, he had gone to Chandigarh for treatment. After returning from Chandigarh, the former CM is admitted in IGMC. Here he has been admitted to the Department of Cardiology. Gold becomes expensive and silver crosses 72,000. Gold and silver prices rose in the domestic market today. On MCX, gold rose 0.15% to rupees 49,275 per 10 grams, while silver future rose 0.5% to rupees 72,357 per kg. Gold has declined after reaching a 5-month high of rupees 49,750 per 10 grams last week. The yellow metal is down about rupees 7,000 from last year's high. The Central has extended by a fortnight to June 15 the deadline of mandatory hallmarking of gold jewelry and artifacts. A decision to this effect was taken in the meeting chaired by Consumer Affairs Ministry Piyush Goyal. Hearing on bail of Sushant's roommate Pithani soon. June 14 will be a year since the death of late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The investigation into the actor's death is still on. Recently, NCB took action and arrested Sushant's roommate Siddharth Pithani. Siddharth has been in jail since 26 May. In such a situation, now Siddharth Pithani has sought bail. After this, Siddharth's lawyer Tarak Sadial filed a bail application and sought bail. At the same time, today, June 11 in the case, a special NDPS court in Mumbai has sought a response from NCB by June 16 on the bail plea filed by Siddharth Pithani. Significantly, a case has been registered against Pithani under Section 27A of NDPS Act along with other sections. That's all for this bulletin. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.